Hello and welcome back to another video by C4Cars. Today we are testing this BMW iX, and as you might see, this boot already is really small. But let's continue to the side and hop in to start this PV test drive. So here we are, let's start. And of course we switch into sport mode. So we are heading towards the streets and there is a lot of traffic going on, so maybe we will find a spot where there's a little bit less traffic, but we will see where the road leads us. In here the car is pretty good driving itself, as you see. Cruise control and of course assistant steering. I think inside I do not like the design of it, but everything feels nice, so it's more like practical than good looking. I mean, this thing here, I don't like the look of it, but it's really, it's just nice because you got a lot of storage underneath here. You can put your phone here, it's easily reachable. You can control everything over here, and it's also really nice reachable. Also you got some space down there. I don't know what to do, but you can put your foot over there. I don't know why you should want to do that, but you know, you could, and it's always better you can than if to want. Visibility is really good as well. The mirrors are big, the windscreen is big. This mirror is nice as well. This mirror is nice too. You can adjust the seats over here. You got memory seating. The windows are controlled over here. The mirrors here. Light is over there. Steering wheel is here. It's everything nicely made. Beautiful colors, I would say. The seats are very comfy as well, but we do have massage seats, and they only massage like the under part of the back, so there is no full body massage available, unfortunately. And they're not adjustable in many ways, like they're only like back and forth and back and forth. That's everything, so it's not too much, and I would like some more adjustability, but still they are pretty nice, fine and comfy. So you will see how they look like, a little bit sporty with this hole inside there for, of course, saving a lot of weight in this car. In terms of weight, this car is pretty heavy, and but you don't feel the mass of the car due to the fact that it's fully electric powered, so it's quite fast. But it's pretty fast, like you will see right now. That was full throttle, really full throttle, and it was quite fast, I would say, although of course it's not Porsche 911 Turbo S, the probably fastest car in the world. No, of course not, but really fast, you know. And in such a heavy thing, it's quite impressive for me, to be honest. Well, what is under the hood? There is nothing except from a motor, nice, and battery, you know, EV stuff. But nevertheless, this car has 523 horses. Goddamn, that's pretty fucking fast. And cannot complain about that, all in all. And the range is pretty good as well. It's somewhere between, 400 to 600 kilometers, I would say, in real life. And that's pretty good. It's not bad at all. I mean, sure, it still is an EV, but not too bad, to be honest. What else do I like about this car in comparison to the X7, for example? It hasn't got the panoramic roof, therefore it's not getting too hot in here when it's 30 degrees outside like it is today. So for now, I can't add any suggestions or stuff to this car because I'm not really into EVs, as you already know, but I still wanted to test drive this car for you guys, and I said some annoying things and some things I like. And you know, I mean, in the end it's a BMW, and BMW knows quite well what they're doing, especially in terms of driving dynamics and stuff. So it's comfy on the motorway, comfy in the countryside. You will enjoy it, and if you're the kind of person who buys an EV, you will probably enjoy the iX too.